issue number 16 of 412. Alright, anyways, this thing is a bit loose. So at the junkyard, I got another one, but of course, yeah, I don't know, it didn't match. So we're not going to use that, but the main problem is, I mean, I can live with that. You can see the car is living with everything. That right there is broken, as you can see. That right there is broken. So we're going to take this out, and we're going to replace that. We're going to replace it with this, guys. Okay, so first thing we did is we cut it just with normal scissors. Cut the top off of it, and I cut it there, the bad part. Make sure you got enough room. And now you're just going to match up the colors. Match them up. Should be good to go. We're going to have to splice it. We'll use this guy. Alright, as you can see, we use the wire stripper. I guess it's about a 20 gauge wire. Got them all stripped. And now we're just going to twist them together and then tape them up. Okay, as you can see, they're all matched together and twisted up. Now we'll use the tape. Just put some tape over them and then tape it all together. Okay, as you can see, we taped up all the wires separately, of course. Now we're going to, I guess, tape everything together like this. Make sure everything's insulated. Okay, so there you go. Got everything taped up. Everything's solid, watertight. Now we'll just plug it back in the hole. Okay, and victory is mine. There it was. There it was.